So tell us a little bit about who you are and what brought you in the office.
I'm Sherry Blank, and I'm 54 years old. I came to Dr. Gough when I was 52. I had, just tremendous pain in my right hip. I couldn't go upstairs with it. I couldn't bend down to tie my shoes. I couldn't bend down to the floor to pick things up. It was just an excruciating pain. I tried, massage and went to a chiropractor. My chiropractor is the one that referred me to Dr. Gough because one of his patients had both of his hips done. So I came, and a couple weeks later, in 2022, I had my first hip replacement. I had osteoarthritis and degenerative joint disease in both. And my right hip, the one I got done first, was so bad the joints were fused together. So he had to, when he did the surgery, he had to put an extra little band around my femur so it wouldn't fracture, and it didn't. And as soon as I woke up from surgery, I had no pain. And even from the surgery itself, I had no pain at all. I had some swelling. I did the ice machine, and I moved every hour like I should, and didn't even need pain meds once I got out of the hospital and went home. So, and then 6 months later, I had my second hip replacement. I did my PT, and then after my first hip replacement, I started with a personal trainer to build up my muscle because I had no muscle, and just being able to bend down and tie my shoes again, go upstairs with both legs, being able to hike again. That was my goal at my PT. I wanted to hike again. Just doing the, getting your life back. Like I told the nurse, I feel like I'm 30 years old again, so just so thankful that he does his procedure the way he does, and the healing process was so simple. And once I had my second one done, I felt like I had my life back. And just being able to move and do all those daily activities that you take for granted. I can wear shoes that tie, I can go up steps, I can get into my husband's tall Suburban without the little step he put in for me. And, just being able to get up off the floor without holding on to something, and it's like I can just having your life back. So I'm so thankful.
That's amazing. What a great story. Thank you so much for sharing it with us. One last thing, is there any advice or anything you would say to someone who is maybe sitting on the fence of thinking about having it done, or have been told they have to have it done and they're really scared? What advice would you give to someone like that?
I would say don't even hesitate. Just do it. Do it now before. I waited too long, and like Dr. Gough told me I should have gotten that done 5 years, but I was in my 40s, and then like my husband told me, he's like, yeah, you're only in your 50s, but you walk like you're a 70-year-old. And that's what made me really, okay, I'm ready to do it. I mean, it's scary, but you're gonna feel amazing. You're gonna just wish you would have done it sooner.
Right.
So I would say just do it.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We really appreciate it.